So I will. Yesterday we have seen one application on throws. Using try catch and without using try catch, you understood, I think.
Yeah.
Today I will go with another option like throw, another class called as throw. So you can create your own exception object in this class. Let us go with that application. Let me name that with some name like the last class, which exception demo. Exception demo. Should be there 10, accepting 10, accept 8, for 8, 9, 9. So I will write one application, normal application only, but you will find through as additional keyword which I am using. These are keywords also. This is the class name. In that I want to go with a static method. Actually this is not that much quality application. I will show you quality application while using user defined exception. Okay, custom defined exceptions are there na? Last concept, custom defined exception. I discuss about bank application, then I will use that throw effectively. But in this program you may not see that much effectiveness, but code is 100% correct. Let me go with the static method. Start typing slow a bit because okay. It's raining heavily in southern part of India. Totally heavy. Yeah, heavy flood is there in right from Hyderabad, Vizag, and whatnot. Even in Kolhapur, up to Nagpur, almost it is there.
Yeah, even I too heard.
Yeah, depression is there in Bay of Bengal. But till now, power is there. Just now, it is gone. Just now. As usual, I'm putting try block, and what I want to do is that x value. That x value, I try to display. Let me display x here. That's it. I'll do one thing, not like that. Just say that true. X is equal to. Now see what I am doing. I am talking to understand. Maybe in this program, little bit you can understand, but further information you can have in the next application. See through. I want to create my own object, not exactly my own object. I want to go with the one predefined exception object called as null pointer exception. Yesterday I was listing those subclasses of exception class. One of them, can you recollect? Null pointer exception is there. Is it? Is it not? Or also came. Luckily, I can go fast. Wait. I'll charge my and come back just a second. You are having office work today?
Yeah, even after class I need to work office.
Okay.
Nowadays is till next week.
Because I cancelled the next class for a week because he's having mid exams. That boy is having mid exams for 1 week. He's not coming.
Yeah, actually, till next week, I'm too much work in office.
Okay, no issue.
We have a live deployment.
Okay, after a long time you are going to office as well, no?
No. What I'm saying is,
deployment is there. You are saying, yeah.
Yeah, live. It's the
Live deployment, yeah.
application is going live.
Means customers will also come there and
Not
you have
customer will come, it will be live. Anyone can,
okay, live online.
yeah, online.
Okay, fine. After testing, post testing, I think, product.
Hmm. So till next week,
Yeah.
they're busy.
We try our best to complete this, but let us not hurry again, otherwise. Null pointer exception. I cannot discuss more about this application, but little things you can understand. That much I can guarantee. But
Hmm.
in my own application, I will show you effectiveness of this throw class. Okay.
Hmm.
There is not much meaning. That's what I'm saying in this application. Yeah. So inside try block, what I am doing, see, of course, from main method, I'm going to pass some argument. I will be calling that demo method, which is static. Directly, I can call demo as an argument. I can pass some number like 4 or 5 so that you can display that number comfortably. Then you are going to throw an object. Is it object or not? Throw new null pointer exception. Is this object or not? Tell me.
Hmm.
That is the object which you are throwing. So when something is thrown, it has to be caught. Don't go with finally, you have to go with the catch. That's it in this case.
Hmm.
One with thrown. So whenever you throw an object, catch clause should be there. Okay.
Hmm.
So I'm going with catch. Catch. Say whatever you have thrown, the same thing should be caught. Is it not? If somebody is throwing
Hmm.
softball, the other person is going to catch softball only. If somebody
Hmm.
is going to throw a hard ball, then a hard ball the other one is going to catch. Same thing. If somebody is throwing null pointer exception in the catch block, it should be there. It should be a match. It should not mismatch. Remember that.
Hmm.
It should be matching. If you write arithmetic exception here, it's gone. That's it. So exception. Same one you have to catch. Yeah. So that is the main information. Of course, inside that you can that again you can write oh again gone power gone again. Just a minute again power gone. Okay, so recording I forgot. You need recording also, no?
Recording already.
We are in Skype. Yeah, it is automatic process, but I clicked on that. I have to click on that. I did not remember
It's
whether I clicked.
already recording. See.
Yeah. Yes, now I can see. Yeah, I forgot whether I have clicked on that or not. Okay, fine. So here inside that I just write E here. Yes, fine. Then one more place is required here. Is it really? Yeah. Class. I mean, what is this power coming and going again? Just one second. Just one second. It's playing really. Okay, fine. System dot. So why it is showing these many mistakes? Catch null pointer exception. Catch identifier expected. System dot out dot println. One more closing. Is it? So one opening, one closing, one opening, one closing, and this is the class opening, you know, and only one closing only here. Then inside main method, it will go soon. Let's hope. Wait, done mistake. Check. Before that, inside main and inside multiple types. See, static method na directly I can call like this.
Hmm.
Catch null pointer. Sorry, it's going null pointer exception. Exception E is different. That reference is different. And then inside that same sy inside. Right. So how many closings? 3 closings sufficient, but some mistakes are there. After try, I forgot putting. Then what else? One more mistake. One more closing should come here. Try, catch. Main that static method should get closed. Yes, fine, gone. See, let us try to understand this program. Execution starts from main method, as you know. So inside that I kept in try block. Inside try block, what is the code present? You are calling a method. Demo being a static method, direct call is sufficient. Is it not? Because all the methods are present in the same class. If your main method is present in some other class, then I should write class name in which.
But where is the demo? Okay,
See,
demo. Yeah. Demo.
try
Yeah.
to understand. See, in this program, I want to distinguish. In the beginning, also I told. The thing is that main method and demo method both are present in same class. Point number one. Yes or no? Right? So if main method is present in some other class, say XYZ class, then what should I do? Here I should write
Data object.
exception demo 9 dot demo. Got it? Yes. So direct invocation is enough. If you want to write, you can write, but unnecessary I'm telling. So demo 2, yeah, 2 is passed to X. Fine. So you are here. You forget about main method. You are here. You are directed to this place. Here, whether any mistake is there or not, forget. You are here. You are directed to this method. So inside that another try is there, and X caught that 2, and you are able to display 2. I can show you. You can display that 2 perfectly. Then what is happening? Please check. Then see. Then see. You got X is equal to 2. Fine. After that, what happened is the story. Is the important story. But here the story is not a hit story, normal story. Nothing in that. So I am throwing an exception object. Point number 1. And what is that being thrown? X. I am throwing X. And it is caught. That E will that reference will catch that. And inside SOPL, I am displaying the same E. E means it is picking that X. Can you see that? X being picked. That's it. But that much not, I mean, good story. It is not a good story actually. Just rules and regulations, I use it. That's all. Nothing to say about the internal issues. But this catch is never caught. This catch is never caught. Believe that.
Yeah.
Because here itself you are throwing some exception intentionally. Intentionally you are throwing some, you are raising some exception that is caught here and resolved here. That's it. But same technique I want to apply more effectively in the coming application. Okay, that is somewhere in custom defined exception. Immediately I will go to that custom defined. So I can give you two choices. Shall I go with custom defined exception or number format exception first? Because number format exception is totally different.
Okay.
That is little program, but custom defined big one. Shall I go with custom? But it is similar to this one, but a bit bigger one.
Okay.
I go with custom define. We had
Yeah.
enough time. Yeah, it takes half an hour. Is it okay? Minimum.
Yeah. It's all. Anyways, half an hour we have now.
Yeah, half an hour you had. Maybe it may cross 10 minutes like that. Maybe. I try to complete that. Wait. And I will give one homework also on this application. Very interesting. If you can do this program, you are able to understand so many multiple concepts you can understand. One is exception you can understand. Then for loop also you can understand. If condition also you can understand. So multiple features are there in this application. I can tell you. The name of this is my exception one. And let me put main method also in that. Exception one, very interesting application, bank application I want to design. From the past 10 years I am designing same application. You can do some variations, but very good application. So this is a program on custom defined exception. Okay, fine. So bank, generally customers are having account number, name, and some balance, right? I'll go with 5 customers. So how many account numbers will be there?
5.
5. and 5 names, 5 balances.
Yeah.
Right. And all of them, these access specifiers also, now you are in a position to understand. Don't want to, because bank application, I should go with private. Privacy should be there. Static and int numbers. Shall I go with array? Shall I go with array?
Yeah.
Because five numbers, 5 people are there.
Mm.
Maybe 5,000 may be there, na? So let us go with 5. But and so this is the way, one dimensional array. These are the account numbers I want to give. That's it. These are the customers I had in the bank. And then same statement, copy and paste. But this means, what shall I do? Static
Name.
string.
Yeah, yeah, string name.
String name. Yes. Sorry. Can give some ras and then and Ramu and then P. అక్కర్లే ఎందుకు ఆఫ్ చేసేది ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది చూడు ఇక్కడ ఆవిడకి ఆఫ్ చేస్తాడు copy and then Vijay. Fine. So these are customers in the bank, and then there are balances also. Private. Static. Earlier I have shown this application, I think, to you. It's gone already. I want to go with large amounts. Maybe decimal values may be also. That's why I just want to go with that. The thing is, minimum balance should be maintained in banks nowadays. So 1,200 is the amount which he had, and the other guy is having 1,600. Other one is having the Zoom 6,000. The other one is having. Let me go with the little amount, but less than 1,000. Just a minute. Power is coming and going. It's creating problem. చేయమ్మా చేయి ఛార్జింగ్ ఎట్లా వస్తుంది రాదు కరెంట్ లేదు ఎస్ నో ప్రాబ్లం ఓకే నో ప్రాబ్లం and then the last one I want to make as 1,000. So those customers who are maintaining balances intentionally, I have given last 2 customers I have given with very less amount, because those customers whoever are having balances lesser than 2,000, they should be called by the bank manager, okay, and give couple of options, that is either to add little more amount to make it more than 2,000, or to quit from the bank, take their deposit and quit from the bank. 2 options he has to give. Fine. So this is that. Let me go with a constructor here. How to write? Tell me how to
My
write.
exception one. Object. OBJ.
Or I want to go with a parameterized constructor with a string. Okay.
Okay.
String str. Okay. Fine. Now, abstract class I explained to you. Abstract class, car program I explained.
Yeah.
In that super constructor I used, you remember that? Super keyword I used, na? Super constructor.
Yes.
It calls super class constructor. Am I right?
Yeah.
Super str. Super class constructor is invoked. What is the super class for your class? Tell me. This is your class. Wait.
My exception one.
I forgot writing. I forgot writing. Wait. Whenever you go with custom defined exception, this is a program on custom defined exception basically. So whenever you go with your own exception class, then you have to extend. You have to take permission from exception class. Got it?
Mm.
Just like private business, government business, I mean difference will be there, so government schools or something like that, they will start, that's it. But private school, they have to get permission, so many things are there,
Mm.
is it not? So this is your own class, own exception class you are going to define, and you are throwing some your own exception object you are going to throw in this program. Got it? In the
Mm.
previous program just now you have seen predefined, it is a government, like government, you need not extend because this is one object, it is predefined, you are throwing
Mm.
null pointer is already there. But in this program you want to define your own exception object and throw it out.
Mm.
Further you have to extend from exception class. Okay, so
Mm.
we have done that also. And now tell me, superclass constructor is invoked. So what is your superclass? Exception class. In that a parameter,
Exception.
yeah, in that a parameterizer constructor is there. You have to believe like that. So
Mm.
that parameterizer constructor is invoked. What is happening? I will tell you later on. Wait, it is a suspense. Once I go with main method, you can understand that. So are the braces okay? It is not showing any error. Now let me go with the try block. I go slow tap. Power gone, coming and going here. నువ్వు చూపిస్తావు అట్లా నేను ఫాస్ట్గా టైప్ చేస్తాను. మై సన్ ఈస్ హెల్పింగ్ మీ, ఐ కెన్ టైప్ ఫాస్ట్. కొంచెం అట్లా పట్టుకోమ్మా. ఇట్ ఇస్ ఓకే రైట్. ట్రై కీబోర్డ్ వైపు చూపించు. I want to show the details like this. Account number. See, this is better. కనపడతలే మాటలు. చేయి నొప్పి నీకు. So I want to put a heading like this, account number I want to show, and after that some tab space I want to go with, concatenation operator. I have tab space. Heading, heading,
Mm.
horizontal heading I want to get, like account number and then account name or name, customer name. Yeah, customer name I want to get. Application power on. Then again plus and times balance heading also I want to show. Right. So heading is done. Now my job is I want to display all the customer details. Okay, all the customer details like account number, name, balance, but only those who are not maintaining sufficient funds in their account, they should not be displayed. Okay,
Mm.
I am trying with one application, but I want a better application from you than this. Okay, if you can do it is okay. I will see your logic also. It may be different from my thought process. So let me compare your thought process, and then if you are successfully showing out, I will tell you. Otherwise, I will show my application tomorrow. I will write one application which is not complete in some aspects. Okay, if bal of, normally I will display first. Advance అట్లా కావట్లే చెయ్యి advance. SYSO. So I want to display the details. How do you display? Array names, is it not? Account number is the first one. I have to give na for loop. I have to add na before that. Forgot adding for loop here. I have to obviously add for loop soon after this. How to add for loop? For 0. How long it has to iterate? Tell me. How long it has to iterate? I is
0, 1, 2, 3,
less
4,
than. I is less than 5.
5.
0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
I plus done. And then inside that, what to do? Inside that, I'm going to display account number followed with some tab space again is required. Na? It has to be a match with the heading. Na? It should be a match with the heading. Is it not? Just a minute. Should be a match with that, like account number. And then what is the next array name? Name. Name should come. Is also an array. I don't forget putting I. Able to understand what I am doing here?
Yeah, yeah.
Type I here. And then again some tab space. Some tab space I have to go with Leslie. And here also I have to go with some tab space. I forgot giving that. Here again. Disturb Jikama. Space name and again concatenation operator. What is the leftover?
Balance.
Done. So you can understand, but the condition I have to put. What is the condition I told you earlier? One condition. What is that restriction? Anybody maintains balance lesser than 2000, they should come
Mm.
out. Wants to talk with them. Having enough funds, they should come out. Suppose what should I do now? See. So I am creating one exception object. Is that my exception one is your class na? Exception one. My exception one ME is equal to no. But parameterized constructor is there na in that.
Mm.
I want to invoke exception one that is balance amount is less. I will pass one string because it is a string type na. String is
Yeah.
given there. Is it not? So my exception one. What is it? Balance amount is less. I will give it. Maybe typing is balance amount is less. I have to handle with one hand. Yes. So you can understand from that statement a parameterized constructor is called. Is it not? So control transfers there, and inside that what is happening you can understand. Inside parameterized constructor what is happening? A superclass constructor is invoked. Is it not? Yeah. So you are passing str. Str is what? Balance amount is less. So that message will be manufactured somewhere in the exception class. Exception is having a parameterized maybe some parameterized superclass constructor. Superclass constructor means what? Superclass constructor means what? Superclass constructor means, so you are calling a superclass constructor. That is exception is the superclass.
Exception.
In that exception class is there. It's a parameterized one, and you are passing str to that.
Mm.
So whenever you pass str to that, some message will be manufactured. Whatever you are doing this, that will be done here. I will say wait, and then see. I want to throw my own exception object. I want to throw my own exception object. I want to throw my own exception object. So ME I am writing here. ME and then ME is the object now. See, is it object or not? New my exception one. Yeah, I am throwing that one here. So once I throw that, couple of braces being closed here. Okay, fine. After that, so whenever you go with a try block, you have to come with a catch block also. Is it not? For is opened there. For should be closed as well. So wait. How many closing should be there? One more closing should be there now. Illamma, please attend. Goro Jeku, attend. Don't disturb me. డిస్టర్బ్ చేస్తున్నాడు కొంచెం వాడు తీసుకెళ్ళి వీడిని Okay, fine. So here I have to start with the catch block. Three closings. Can you observe here? One closing is for if condition, one for, and the other one is for try block. Now
Mm.
this is the time I can go with catch block. Catch, catch. So you have thrown my exception one, is it not? So same thing should be caught. My exception one. Give yummy, yummy I can give. Yes. Now inside that I'm going to resolve that by writing some message like you can write me dot print stack trace also, but I don't want to do like that. I want to go with my own message like SYSO. చెడిపోద్దాం అట్లా కొడితే గొడవ చేయకు SYSO ME రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. ట్రై టు అండర్స్టాండ్. So how many closings are there? Wait. Yeah, program is done. Let me explain before that. So your execution starts from main method. Let us again examine the program. Come fast. So try block is there. Very simple code. You got your heading here done in the first statement. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
That try block. JVM will display that. No issue whatsoever. And you know for loop equation here. For loop.
Yes, yes.
You are inside for loop, and
Mm.
all the account numbers are displayed here. All the
Mm.
account numbers are displayed here. So account number 0. 0 means ఇది అయిపోయిందో నేను కొడతాను చూడు భలే కొడతాను. Account number I means account number of 0. 0 position
Zero.
what is there? You please check 0 position what is there. Account number 0. 10001 will
One
be
double
displayed.
zero one.
And then name, that fellow's name is Raz and his balance is 1200.
Mm.
He crossed 1000. No, he is only
He is
1200.
not crossing
Oh, sorry.
1,200.
I will do one thing. I will add one more 0. Okay. Now, okay. Only
Mm.
last two fellows I have given lesser amount.
Mm.
But this is not a full-fledged one. Tomorrow I will give a full-fledged one. Okay.
Mm.
But you try that one. I will ask some questions.
Mm.
So here the thing is that, yeah, you can see first fellow is displayed, second person is also displayed, third person is also displayed without
Mm.
any problem. Fourth is also displayed. Can you accept that? Gopi.
Mm.
See, because if condition is checked every time after this statement, what is there? You know for loop pretty well. This is a
Yeah,
logic
yeah.
in for loop. Lot of logic is
Yeah,
there
yeah.
in for loop. Yeah, first one it is checked. Success, failed. First one failed. Less than 2000. No.
Yeah.
Second one also failed. Third one also
Yeah.
failed.
Yeah.
Fourth one, after displaying fourth person's result,
Mm.
he got success in if condition.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So you are getting means unnecessarily I am displaying fourth person's details.
Mm.
And later on you are getting inside. Once you got inside, that is a problem. Fourth person's data should not come. It came. Later on you went inside. So
Mm.
inside that what is happening? Parameterized constructor is invoked with this step. Step number
Mm.
20, point number
Mm.
21.
Mm.
Step number 21. Yeah. So it has gone there inside that constructor. STR is managing that. Balance amount is less. Inside that superclass constructor is invoked. Huh?
Yeah.
Superclass constructor is invoked. That message is there in the memory. Yes. And then throw me. Me means what? You are throwing that object which you
Mm.
have done here, and then it is caught, and then it is resolved. Resolved in the sense the output is going to be ME. If you open
Mm.
ME object, what is there in ME object? Tell me. Balance amount is less.
Yeah.
That will be coming. That will be appearing. I will show you. Now I will run. You can understand. Oh, program is over. Any doubts you can ask me. But the shape is not good. I don't like this. It is that person. 1, 2, 3 came. Fourth. What about fourth? Raz, Ravi, Ramu came. Wait. I will extend. I will arch this a bit.
Ramu 6.0.
Ramu 6.0. That's what I am looking as well. Why Ramu is not accepted here, and I am unable to type at times. 1, 2. Here I went wrong. That's why. Sorry. Right. And the next one is
How many?
yeah. 5 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Mm.
Yes. I went wrong. Yeah. Now I will Now it will come fine. Now got it? Yes, yes. Got it now? Up to Gopi it came.
Mm.
And see, whenever exception is caught, after that another fellow is there. He may be having less amount or more amount, but he is not considered because exception is caught at Gopi. Is it not? Here exception is caught at Gopi or not? Tell me if condition.
But
Please see the if condition.
mm,
Please see the if condition. When exception is caught, see
when it is less
when
than
you are through, when you are
2000,
throwing, when you whose data you are throwing.
when it is less than
Uh,
2000.
when if condition is satisfied, then only you are throwing an exception object. Am I right? When if
Mm.
condition is when if condition is a match,
Mm.
when if condition is matching, tell me whose name? Gopi.
Gopi.
So Gopi object is thrown. I mean balance amount is less is thrown.
It's not
That
going
is
6 to 1 then.
unfortunately Gopi is
Mm.
appearing here
Mm.
that I should restrict.
Yeah.
My my output should be see I want my output like all this data should come all ras from ras to vijay everybody should come, then
Mm.
I should display one message like these customers are having less balance,
Mm.
are not having enough funds otherwise,
Mm.
these customers are not having enough funds, and then display only those two guys, Gopi and Vijay.
Mm.
Understand? In
Mm.
such a way I want my application. How do you do that? That you have to do of your own. Same program, little adjustments with respect to for and if condition. That's all.
Okay.
I'll give you two options tomorrow. I have
Mm.
done one of my own, and my student has done one more. It is also even better than my solution, which I
Mm.
found just before batch. So I am giving you also that option. You try
Okay.
with your own option.
Okay.
Maybe coincidence of any other option, or maybe your own option. Welcome. That's it. You understood the problem
Yeah,
here?
yeah, yeah.
So you understood the effectiveness of throw class in this
Mm.
program. See what I am throwing ME. What is that ME? It is my own object. My exception one is my class or not? Custom defined
Mm.
class? Yes, I am throwing my own object that is caught and that is
Mm.
resolved. But this adjustment of for loop and if condition is not that much perfect here.
Mm.
Okay, some way back, some 10 years back, I think, when I shown this program in an engineering college, uh, one of the student, girl student, I think, I still remember, she asked that, sir, I want only those customers who are having less amount.
Mm.
Okay, so that is the important aspect of this application. Na? I just want those two, she told.
Mm.
Luckily, I have taken some 15 minutes time, I think, and I resolved that. Same solution I am using till the last batch.
Mm.
Okay. So you understood the problem. You try to resolve this. Any problems in this, please ask me. You should have some thorough knowledge before going your own application with your own application.
Yeah, I understood this one.
Understood? Still 10 minutes time is there. Can I try with the number format exception or shall I close the session? Because you are also saying that you are busy and here power is not there, unfortunately.
Okay, anyways, we can start tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, fine. Tomorrow I will close exception handling,
Okay.
100%. Okay. Then day after tomorrow we'll go with threads.
Mm. Okay.
This week I may not be able to complete threads because it is very lengthy, even more than except double time of exception handling is required.
Mm.
So in this program, I just recollect few things. So some basic points are there. Please remember, not only program, some theory points are there because in an interview somebody may ask you. So
Mm.
whenever you are creating your own exception, that can be called as custom defined exception or user defined exception. Point number one, you
Mm.
have to extend exception class mandatory. First point. See the first point. You can take a point also. I will provide in notes if possible. I will put those points. Point number one is you have to extend. You have to extend.
Exception.
Yes, mandatory.
Yeah.
Point number two. You have to go with a parameterized constructor. Mandatory, 100%. There is
Mm.
no other alternative for that. Okay.
Mm.
So you have to go with a parameterized constructor, and that parameter should be string. Okay. That's
Okay.
it. and you have to invoke superclass constructor. Point number 3, superclass constructor you have to invoke, and then you have to throw for if it depends upon your nature of work there, and you have to throw your own object. That's it. Means you have to create, because anyways you are going to invoke a parameterized constructor. At that point you are creating an object, and the same object please throw that and catch that, all that. That's it. Done. Done. That's how it happens. Okay. So with this, can I close the class for
Yeah.
today? Okay.
Yeah.
You understood my problem? How to
Yeah.
write,
Yeah. Yeah.
how
I
to
understand.
Gopi and Vijay separately. After this, I want to display. I think, I
Yeah.
guess I have shown you that in the past also. So all the data I should be able to see. That is very simple. I am telling you few clues I am giving you. Don't go with this part from here onwards. Please
Mm.
don't go from here onwards. Please don't go. You close the for loop here itself. Huh?
Mm.
You
Mm.
can display all the details.
Mm.
From that, you pick the wrong one. You pick the
Mm.
wrong one. Again, you draw a for loop. Again, you put the if condition. That's it. Got
Mm.
it?
Yeah.
Yes. In other way is also there. You please try. You please
Okay.
think same code, just shuffling here and there. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sam ending.